Good morning, learners. Welcome to the online class. In our online class, we are going to be looking at equation with brackets. In our previous class, we did simple equation, and I told you the usefulness of the equal to sign. Now, in our today's topics, we are going to be looking at equation with brackets. Now, the purpose of this work is that, first of all, we are going to open the brackets. After we open the brackets, we are now going to solve the equation linearly. Now what we're going to do, question 1, we are having 2 brackets open, 2x plus 3 equal to 14. Now if you're asked to open a bracket, what you are going to do, the term you have outside, you are going to use it to multiply the 2 terms in the bracket. Sometimes the bracket can also have 3 terms. You're going to use the term you are having outside to multiply the 3 terms individually. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to multiply 2 to multiply the first term here and then the other term there. So this is going to give us 2 times 2x plus 2 times 3 equal to 14. Now you can see what I did is that these 2 I'm having outside the brackets, I use it to multiply all the term inside the brackets. The first term in the bracket is 2x and the other term is what? Is 3. So this is going to give us 4x plus 6 equal to 14. Now this is now back to the work we did last, which is a what? Which is a simple equation. Now if you look, these 2 terms, they are alike. So we're going to collect like term. This number is having an alphabet close to it, and this is just a number. So we'll collect like terms. Now when we collect like terms, we are going to be having 4x equal to 14 minus 6. So that will simply give us 4x equal to 14 minus 6. Then we are going to subtract 4x. When we subtract 6 from 14, we are going to be having 8. So we can now divide both sizes by the coefficient of s. Coefficient of s there is 4. This will give us 4x over 4 equal to 8 over 4. So 4 will cancel out. 4 into 8, that will be 2. We take the next question. We're having 3 brackets open. 3x minus 2 equal to 21. So we follow same procedure. We'll be using 3 to multiply the 2 terms in the brackets. This will give us 3 times 3x plus 3 times minus 2. Now look at it. The number outside the bracket is a positive number. So when the positive number is multiplying the negative number, I go to add to the sign, which is 3 plus 3 times minus 2 equal to 21. So when we multiply, we have 9y. Now look at it. Positive times negative will give us negative. The golden signs are minus times minus, that will be positive. Minus times plus, that will give us minus. Plus times minus, that will give us minus. Plus times plus, that will give us plus. So always remember the signs. Now, when we multiply now, plus times minus will give us minus. 3 times 2 will give us 6, that will be 21. So we're going to collect like terms. Now when we collect like terms, we are going to be having 9y. Then we have 21 plus 6. Negative sign, cause the sign of quality become positive. So this will give us 9y. When we add, we are going to have 27. So we divide by 9, divide both sides by 9, and then y will be equal to 3. Now the next example, and what we are having 7 brackets open, k minus 2 plus k equal to. Now note that this k is not in the bracket, so we're not multiplying with the number out. When we multiply now, 7 times k will give us 7k. 7 times this is going to give us minus 14. Now look at it. 7 is a positive number. Plus times minus will give us minus. 7 times 2 will give us 14 plus k k now equal to 2. So what we're going to do now, we're going to bring the k's together. 7k plus k minus 14 equal to 2. That is going to give us 8k minus 14 equal to 2. Then we'll collect like terms. So we are going to be having 8k 2 plus 14. Now this will now give us 8k is equal to 16. So we divide both sides by 8. Divide both sides by 8. We are going to be having k now. We cancel out. That will simply give us 2. So what we did is that we divide both sides by 8. 8 cancel out 8. We are having k. 8 into 16 will give us 2. With this topic is that when you have an equation that is having a bracket, what you do first of all, you attend to the brackets by using the number outside the brackets to multiply the terms you're having inside the bracket. When you multiply the terms you're having inside the bracket, you can now solve the question linearly. From the knowledge you have in our previous class, we looked at simple equation. So what the difference between the work is that we're having a bracket here. So after opening the bracket, you'll be having a simple equation where you now collect like terms and solve it linearly. In the course of our class, you are free to ask questions on the topic. Thank you.